Nick Rudder for Nautical One. We're at the Stewart Boat Show, where I've been giving demonstrations all weekend, particularly on our Xtreme Mildew Remover. This is a fast-acting cleaner that annihilates mold and mildew on contact. Use it on vinyl, bumpers, rubber seat cushions, anything that's made of rubber, plastic, or vinyl. Because if you own a boat, you know that it's plagued by mildew. This solves that. It's a viscous formula that clings to the surface, and it destroys the mildew on more than just the surface. It actually cleans deep down inside the material, and it completely rids the surface of the mildew stains. It's easy to use, and it's extremely effective. Best of all, when used on a vinyl seat cushion, unlike bleach, it's not going to cause the material to get sticky or to delaminate over time, and it's also not going to cause any damage to the stitching. So for this example, I have this rubber bumper. Simply going to spray it on. And you can see it's a thicker gel formula, so on a vertical surface like this, it clings much better than just a non-viscous liquid. And in the real world, I will let this sit for a few minutes, but we don't really have that luxury at a boat show, so I'm going to agitate right away. I've got a brush, and it doesn't take much effort, and you can see just how fast it works. Then I'll take a towel and I'll simply wipe it off. Now here's the deal with this product. The longer you let it sit on the surface, the more effective it is. So in the real world, what I would do is I would completely spray the entire rubber bumper. I will let it sit for like a half hour, and then afterwards, this would all be dissolved and running down the surface. I get a hose and I blast it off. So that's Nautical One Xtreme Mildew Remover. It's fast, it's safe, it's effective. Use it on vinyl, rubber bumpers, cushions, anything that's made of rubber, plastic, or vinyl on your boat. I'm Nick Rudder for Nautical One. Take care, and God bless.